One of the easiest and quickest ways to put your domain to work is by using it for email. I'm Darlene, and I'm going to show you how to use your domain for an email account at GoDaddy. Let's get started. I'm on GoDaddy.com and logged into my account. To start, click the arrow next to your account name, and under Quick Links, click Manage Domains. On the My Domains page, locate the domain you want to use, and in the Next Steps column, click Use My Domain. In the lower section of the screen, click Get an email address that matches your domain. If you're like me and haven't purchased an email plan yet, you'll need to do that before you can use your domain for an email account. These are GoDaddy's 3 email plans with their features listed. I'm going to go for the middle of the road. My email plan's in the cart. You can change the term if you need to. Click Complete Purchase. We're ready to rock, so let's create my email. Click in the field to type the domain name you want to use for your email account. If you have multiple domains in your account, a drop-down menu may display, and you can select the domain name from it. Now click Continue. On the Create New Email Account page, start by entering the username. Whatever you enter immediately before the @ symbol in your domain name here, like info or contact or your name, becomes the username for this account, and it's how your email address will read. The first name and last name fields are what display in the From field in a recipient's inbox. You can be literal and enter your first and last name here. You might choose to enter your business name and split that between the first name and last name field. It's up to you what you enter here. Just make sure it'll make sense to your recipient. You can always come back and change these 2 fields too. Since you're creating a brand new account, leave the administrator permission set to Yes. As you add new accounts, you can decide whether or not you want the new user to have administrative permissions. Next, enter a password for your new email account. As you enter it, we'll let you know how strong it is. Hint, shoot for very strong. And if you need some help remembering what you just typed in, which happens to me all the time, you can always click Show. Finally, you can enter up to 5 email addresses where you want your account information sent, for record keeping. Now just click Create. This is where all the magic is happening as we create your awesome new email account. The process can take more than a few minutes, so you can read the tips and tricks or go top off your coffee. Just don't close the screen. And before you leave this page, be sure to check out all the helpful goodness on it. Here's the URL you'll need to access your email online. And like it says, bookmark it. There's also this awesome QR code you can scan to auto-magically install the Microsoft Outlook app on your phone, and some links to help you with other email-related tasks. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Darlene, and I'll see you next time.